Hi guys, this is Katie and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So it is now midday. It is Wednesday the 23rd. I'm just waiting downstairs for a Grab to arrive. Me and a friend from work are going to head over to Central World today. I want to stock up on some Marks and Spencer's goodies, so I shall show you what we get up to. Also, if we haven't met before, my name is Katie. I am a teacher here in Bangkok and I vlog about my life here. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure you hit subscribe. So we are in a restaurant called Paul's. Is it Paul or Paul's? Paul, sorry, Paul. Apparently they have this all over the world. I've never been to one of these before. It's very fancy. I've got myself a camembert cheese baguette and a Christmas hot chocolate, and they also have a festive menu, so I think I might either get a black forest cake or Yule for dessert. I haven't decided yet. We shall see.
Look at that.
I feel like it's completely acceptable to start on Saturday.
The whole one is, because I might just not make a dessert and I just take that.
That's an amazing idea. What is a chocolate and salted caramel millefleur?
Don't know, but okay, so I'm going like for dessert as well now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also, my trip to Marks and Spencer's was very successful. I have spent a little bit too much money on various chocolates, biscuits and chocolates and cheese twists, and I'm very excited. This has made my Christmas day perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, we popped into Pandora. They have a Harry Potter collection, including the characters. And what was this one?
The Deathly Hallows.
Look at this. But we're actually in here to find a Bangkok one. Or Thailand. Well, hi guys. So it is now a little bit later. I just thought I'd kind of check in because I had such a lovely day out today. Enjoyed going around Central World with my friend Katie, also called Katie. We went to Paul's Cafe. Never been there before, never even heard of it, but it was amazing. The bakery smelled so good, and the food was delicious as well. So I said to Callum, on Christmas Day we're gonna have bagels, and then on Boxing Day we're gonna have a cheese board. So I was saying I'm gonna order some like fresh bread from there for our bagels and for our cheese board, because it smells so good, and I can it'll be amazing. I just know it'll be amazing. So that is the plan. But I thought I couldn't really end the vlog without giving you a little M&S haul. So for those of you who don't know what Marks and Spencer's is, Marks and Spencer's is a British, I'm presuming it's British, a British shop that we have in the UK. They predominantly do like clothes, stuff like homeware, stuff like that, but they always have a great food selection, and more in like more recent times it's become more known for its amazing food. Like it is more expensive than your typical supermarket, but the quality is so good, and the food is just amazing. So because we're not home, like normally at Christmas time when we go home, we would get lots of like nice Christmassy stuff from Marks and Spencer's, and they didn't really have that many Christmassy items there here in Bangkok. But there is a Marks and Spencer's in Central World, and me and my friend went to go and stock up on the stuff that we wanted to get, and I did spend a little bit too much money on getting stuff, but I figured, considering we might end up going back into lockdown, hopefully that doesn't happen, but if it does, this is going to make me feel much better about it. But also it's Christmas, I want to have something nice to enjoy, so I might have overindulged a little bit, but I'm not going to eat it all at once, I promise. Anyway, moving on, let's jump into the things we bought. So to begin with, I have got some white chocolate and milk chocolate rounds. So if you've never if you have an M&S where you live and you've never tried these biscuits, they are amazing. They are like more chocolate than biscuit, which is how I want my chocolate biscuits to be, guys. So good, very good, like so tasty. Then they also had these. I've never tried these, but my friend said they were really good. They're meant to be a little bit like Jaffa cakes, but with biscuits, and they're like chocolate with orange, so I shall look forward to them. They ran out of Terry's chocolate orange here, so they had them in a place called Villa Market, which is where we get like our exported foods from, and they ran out, so didn't get them, but hopefully they will do just as well to somewhat replace them. We'll see. I also got some cheese twists. These are quite nice, kind of like puff pastry stuff. You can heat them up. I didn't know this, but on the back it says you can heat them up, so I might try that. But again, we're going to have a cheese board on Boxing Day, so I thought it'd be really nice with that. Then I picked up some double Belgium chocolate chunk cookies. Now, the story behind this, I mean, I always have stories behind food, I don't know why. But when me and Callum, we used to be in the UK, on Saturdays we would have a big working day, because I used to be doing like PGC, like I used to be teaching and doing my PGC as well. So then Saturdays were the day that we would like work on our blog and have a big like working day together where we'd talk about different various stuff. And it was the only day, because we didn't used to live together in the UK, it was the only day that we got to have together where we could work. And then Sunday we used to spend the time together and enjoy it. But what we used to do is I used to go out to M&S, which wasn't too far, and pick up some cookies if we were having a big working day, and hence why I did pick up some cookies this time. And then I picked up some, oh, hello, well, hello, this is annoying, hang on. That's better. So I picked up some walnut whips. These are like milk chocolate with like soft marshmallow in the middle. These are amazing. These are my favourite things to have in the UK. They don't have actual like proper sized walnut whips, but they have mini ones, which will do. And then I also picked up some chocolate covered peanuts for Callum because they're his favourite. So yeah, that is all we got. It seems like there's actually not that much here, considering I think this came to just over 1,000 back. But I don't care because the food is so good. Yes, so hang on, let me just put it away first and then I'll talk. So that is my little mini haul. We have got, oh, tomorrow I will show you the cheeses. We bought loads of cheeses, so I will show you them tomorrow. But we are kind of all set for Christmas now. Hopefully nothing gets cancelled. There's a few events that have been cancelled for Christmas Eve, that like some of the big hotel places have cancelled their events, which is kind of making me a bit nervous, but fingers crossed all will be fine. Anyway, it is now nearly 7 o'clock. I'm going to order some dinner and we're going to watch Narcos. We started watching it yesterday. It was very good, I will say. And then just relax for the evening. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. It's helping the channel to grow and more people to see these videos if they're thinking about moving to Bangkok. So take care, guys, and I shall see you tomorrow. Bye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish